this in front of the control panel. When you hit that, it would cut power to the motor. And in a non-emergency situation, we also had a pause button that you could hit on the HMI to stop the feeder momentarily. So as with any machine, kind of have to use caution around it. Lucky for us, we didn't really have a lot of dangerous conditions with this. The only moving part that we had was our auger, which kind of posed some pinch points. So if you wanted to feel like sticking your finger in the auger or down in the feeder, we recommend either hitting the e-stop or even better, turning off the main disconnect and unplugging the unit completely. The scale is open to the environment. We don't have an enclosure around it right now just because it needs to be refilled every once in a while. But that means that you could possibly lean up against the feeder and really change the numbers that are coming out of the scale, and that will vary the speed of the motor. When we were doing our benchmarking, I made the mistake of taking the lid off the feeder to play with the pellets a little bit, and it really messed up our data. So we learned firsthand that you can't really touch this thing while it's running, otherwise it will really mess up the mass flow rate that's coming out of the feeder. The one kind of concern that we had in actually operating this machine was refilling the pellets. So when it's mounted above the extruder, you have to lift a 4 kilogram or it's a 5 gallon pail full of pellets up about every 4 hours to refill this feeder. Since it's really not that heavy and you don't have to do it that often, we kind of decided that this really wasn't a big risk that we needed to assess. Any questions?